Good afternoon, everyone. Jonathan Davis here with Davis AutoSports, and we're excited to present to you guys another XJ that we just wrapped up. This Cherokee is not for sale. However, we custom build them per your specs, per your budget, as well as build them to bring to market. This is just to show you guys one of our completed XJs. This was about a 8-month build. No way I'm going to be able to, and first and foremost, I apologize for the wind. We are not using our big steady cam and full production setup on this shoot right here, so just bear with us. As I was saying, about an 8-month build. Just about every single component, driveline, engine, exterior, suspension, paint, body, interior has been replaced and upgraded to some degree. As we walk around the exterior, I will tell you this thing top to bottom, inside out, all new paint, body work all corrected, black Kevlar all the way around. We are sitting on a Rubicon Express 5.5-inch long arm system. Those are our authentic DAS wheels, 17x9, -12 offset, essentially a 33 Nitto Trail Grappler tire, hair over. It's a 295/75. Obviously all new bumpers, winches, LED lights throughout. The paint, as always, came out absolutely beautiful. Everything gets removed when we paint our vehicles here, from fenders to front grills, panels, lights, mirrors, belt moldings, handles. That way there's absolutely zero tape lines anywhere, so everything gets removed. That way you're dealing with nothing but metal and you're going to get your best result. Windshield gets removed. We redo, as you see, it goes all the way over the edges. So just a ton of time goes into the paint alone. Obviously have a set of flares on here as well, side sliders. We did our Kevlar on the rocker panels. Even after we paint the vehicle, we still go through and wet sand it. You will get a little bit of orange peel with any new paint. That's a very common thing. Even we paint correct a lot of brand new cars here at Davis AutoSports, and your end result is clear, that lays down just absolute flat as can be. You won't get that crisp of a reflection in a new paint job without wet sanding it, because it will still have a little bit of orange peel. And if you look at that tire reflection, it is spot on. Olympic top hat roof rack with 50-inch LED lights front and rear. Every single 12-volt component on this truck, from each one of the lights up front, the flush mount LED lights we did there, the 20-inch, the Flexolite triple fan radiator, they all have their own circuit, relay, fuse panel, everything. Suspension and steering has all been upgraded as well. As I touched on, Rubicon Express 5.5-inch long arm kit, all extreme duty Rubicon Express components, including the brace bar up top. Manual transmission, we upgraded the clutch, flywheel. We are either 410 or 456 gears. Slip yoke eliminator, drive shafts, every U-joint, ball joint, every single component has been upgraded. As you see, grade 8 hardware throughout. We do have ARB front and rear lockers on this. Brakes have also been upgraded, drilled and slotted rotors, new calipers, new pads, all stainless steel brake lines, including hard lines, lines going down the frame. Every single end to every single component, ball joint, tie rod ends, they have all absolutely been gone through and upgraded. Underneath the hood, brand new DAS engine, new performance cylinder head, new crankshaft, new cams, pistons, rings, rods, bearings, lifters, oil pump. We upgraded the cooling system. We have a triple core, massive triple core, triple 10-fan radiator in there, upgraded water pump. That radiator has its own module setting as well. Entire AC system is all new, compressor, evaporator, orifice tube, receiver dryer, condenser in the front. Entire brake system, even in the rear, has all been done as well. full exhaust system. We have a Banks header going down to all new piping, going down to a brand new high flow catalytic converter, going to a full stainless steel exhaust system. Go ahead and peek under here. Got your slip yoke eliminator for your drive shaft, all new drive shafts, U-joints. As you take a look up there, all new lines throughout the entire Jeep. Got your Fox reservoir front and rear shocks. If you just take a look at all the hardware throughout the entire Jeep, it is all brand new, grade 8 or grade 10 hardware. I love how I can go over a build in 5 minutes, but it takes eight months to do. Interior was completely gutted down to the floor pans. We have, I gotta double check, I think we do have Dynomat on this Jeep. I'm not 100% sure, but we absolutely have brand new carpet. When we take our seats out, we obviously have our custom leather seats that we do here. We rebuild, as always, the massive bolsters that we form fit. We have dual heated seats. While the seats are out getting done, we sand down all the brackets, repaint them, and then we use grade 8 hardware and washer, because for any of you XJ guys that own these seats that have tried to take them out, you know the threading of that bolt is exposed on the bottom side. Water can sort of creep up and get the hardware funky, get the bolts funky, so that will never be an issue with a grade 8. And that's pretty much throughout anything that we do hardware wise on this Jeep. WeatherTech's throughout. We have a full navigation system, backup camera, upgraded audio throughout. We do add rear pockets on the back seats as well. Just a very, very clean interior, nothing crazy. New headliner, new sun visors, just very, very clean. Million other things that I'm sure I've missed on this. Obviously I touched on the gears and lockers, so we obviously differential covers, but literally just about everything that you could possibly do, line wise, bolt wise, clamp, bushings, all that has been done. When we build a Jeep like this, axles get dropped, they get sandblasted, they get refinished. Very, very thorough with all the little detailed stuff that we do. And that paint is just absolutely flat as can be. Like I said, everything gets removed. If you guys have any questions about any of our Jeeps that we're currently building or having us custom build your Jeep, we have a ton of Jeeps currently right now. We have a gray Jeep over there from California. We have that old Woody Cherokee from North Carolina inside the shop. We have 3 more Cherokees from out of state that we're restoring. So if you currently own a Jeep, we'll be more than happy to put together a build sheet and discuss everything over the phone, get the Jeep here, then go over it in person and send you a thorough build sheet. If you don't own a Jeep and you're looking to purchase, it's best for us to provide a Jeep like this that's turnkey ready. We provide the Jeep, the whole 9. That way you don't have to go out and search for a Jeep, which clients have done previously. The Jeep gets here and they're upside down in it because it's got way more issues to even get it in good condition than just starting with one of ours. So we have many different builds. This Jeep right here, with our stage wise, we're sort of getting away from our stages because a lot of people think they're in concrete and everything else, but this would be a stage sort of 5-6 build. And as you see, the reflection in the paint can't get any better. That's not on the paint, that's just a reflection in the background. We did Kevlar the roof as well. Once again, if you guys have any questions, 855-XJ Jeeps. That's 855-955-3377. Thank you.